Hey guys, it's Trevor, Audionon, and Cohen, I believe, is back on this side of the car. But we're at the Arctic Vet channel today, and we got a new car, so we're gonna be washing it
And it's dirty.
in the garage. It is very, very dirty.
Like
So we're gonna try and wash it in the garage because it's sunny outside and we don't have any shade. So we're trying to make some shade by just bringing it in the garage, and we're gonna wash it. There's no shade.
On my hair.
Yes, we still have the Jeep, and don't worry, we still have the Corvette, but the wife has it today. So now that it's bright, we're gonna get the pressure washer that he's got. I would show you, but he's running away with it. He's running off with it. We're gonna get that hooked up. We got our buckets ready. Cohen's running out to the Jeep. I think he's gonna pull it up here for us. And we're gonna get this thing all shined up and looking good. In the garage, we got enough room on that side. We got just enough room on this side, but it's a 2011 Ford Fusion SEL, with 103,000 miles on it, and I absolutely just love the color of it. The front bumper was definitely used and abused. Got a scuff there, some paint chips, the bumper's cracked right down there. But you know what, for a used car, 103,000 miles and just over $6,000 for it, I'm not complaining. Beautiful car, fully loaded, sunroof, moonroof, whatever you decide to call it. Kids love it. Full leather. Pretty sure it's got just about every option. Backup camera in the mirror. Fits all the car seats in it. Nice floor mats. And you can tell it's just dirty. It shows dirt a whole lot better than our two other vehicles, but hopefully we can get it in and get some kind of coating put on it, because that is the first thing you want to do when you get a new car and you want to actually keep it for a while, in my opinion. That's what we did with Corvette. We didn't do it with the Jeep because it was a pretty cheap car. We paid under $4,000 for it, so I mean, I'm not worried about the Jeep. But this car I want to keep for a while, and we want to keep it looking good. So we're gonna go ahead and wash it, and we'll see about getting the coating for it sometime soon. Well guys, I didn't get any video of me actually washing it in here, but you can tell with the water, we did actually get the car washed in the garage. Got it all dried off, and now we're just gonna let it sit in the garage for the day. Well, the Corvette's gone. We'll just leave it sitting here, and well, the boys and I leave, we'll go ahead and take her out and go do our thing. Maybe we'll get some good shots of it. Yeah, I mean, look how small my garage is. I think it's touching, but it's not. I'm just that damn good, I guess. But yeah, she looks really good. The wife, since it is the wife's main daily now, she named it, and she went with the name B because her name's Elizabeth, and she would be called Elizabeth B by family and friends from time to time. So now Miss Elizabeth B has her B to drive during the day, and it looks pretty darn good. Yes, it is a Ford. I know, don't worry. It might be a Ford. Oh, about tripped. But it's beautiful. And to be honest, I've owned well, I guess this actually puts me over. I've owned more Fords than I've owned Chevys. It was 4 and 4. Now it's 5 and 4. Don't worry. The next vehicle will be a Chevy, or we'll say GM, because there might be something else other than a Chevy brand wise that I would pick up, but it'd still be a GM. I mean, you can tell that there's some scratches. That looks like some dirt from when I drove it in. But it's got all the nice little rock chips and scraped paint. And I noticed that this piece is a little loose, but that's alright. And down here, the other side, right down here, is all scratched up. Bad, big time. See, right here's another one. It's got some rock chips. I mean, there's some imperfections, but that's all right. I think if we can get a nice coating put onto it and get it cleaned up a little bit, we'll be just fine. It'll be a great daily car. And it's got the blind spot sensors on it. It's already got the weather, what do you call them? Weather protectors for the windows so you can open it up in the rain, which I absolutely love. And I would do to the Corvette, but it wouldn't look right. And I would get so much hate for it. And I'm not about that, so not about to get that. Not yet, maybe one day. Real quick, before I cut this video out, I just want to let everybody know that we will be having Cars and Coffee here at Hutchinson at the Alley on 23rd and Lorain, the last Saturday of every month, as you can see on the sign right here. The next one is September 29th, and it'll be at 8 a.m. till 11. We're gonna have donuts, free donuts out there, drinks provided, and a whole bunch of nice cars showing up. And yeah, it's free to attend, no cost, nothing. All we ask is for donations, not needed, don't have to. Just if you feel like doing it, it helps us out, helps us keep doing these events. And this has been a really good, successful year so far of doing Cars and Coffee. And I look forward to next year. But before next year comes, we've got one more Cars and Coffee that is, I'm hoping we can make the biggest and the best one yet. I'm hoping to do a trunk or treat in October, and so that one would be October 27th, the last Saturday of the month. And what we'll be doing is I think we're just gonna do free, anybody can bring their car and decorate, and have candy for the kids here in town, try to get the community involved and fill up the parking lot with cars that are trunks decorated. We've got a plan for the Corvette. It's gonna look pretty sick if we can do it. The wife came up with it, and it goes along with our theme on what we're wanting to do for Halloween costumes as a family anyways. So I can't wait to show you guys that, and you'll definitely get to see it. So we're just now working out these details of this trunk or treat for the last Cars and Coffee of the year. And once we do get that all out, it will definitely be on my Instagram, my Facebook, and I'll probably even throw a video out here on my channel as well. So if you don't follow my Instagram, it's Arctic Vet, just like my YouTube channel. You'd also find me on my Facebook page, which is again Arctic Vet. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Take a quick look at the inside of the Fusion. The best button in this entire car is right here. Changes the color of the cup holders and the LEDs that are on the side and the floorboard. Looks pretty sweet. maybe we can do a full review over this car sometime. Kind of like that newer Fusion that I did in the past, and I'll put a little card up so you guys can see that if you haven't. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, click that red subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell notification as well. Get notified when I have uploads. Also check out my Instagram, my Facebook pages, and stay tuned for more. Catch you in the next video. Have a great night.